Good morning. I'm sorry that I had to cancel the in-person class today. It was just unavoidable. I've been trying to avoid it for about 24 hours and I failed. So instead of having class in class, we're going to have an online class. That's the beauty of Blackboard. So we never actually really have to miss class unless, I just never get to the point of recording or setting up assignments. So here's the first thing I want to remind you of. You know that your compare and contrast essay is due on Sunday by 11:59 p.m. I hope you've taken a chance to take a look at it. It's the longest one yet. The material is dense. However, I've given you some really good assistance here. I've done some YouTube videos. I don't want to tell you what I've done. Go look at it. So that's the long and short of it. Your assignment is due on Sunday. Please don't miss any assignments. I told you before, it impacts your grade. It really hurts you because there's not a whole lot of stuff that you turn in for a grade here in this class. So I don't know if I'm going to warn you again, but don't miss any assignments. Okay. The next thing, today we were going to talk about the art slide. I'm pointing to the side because I'm looking at it. We're going to talk about the art slide today and the music slide. Unfortunately, since I won't be in class, we won't actually have the chance to have this discussion today, at least. Next week, I had something else planned, but I'm going to move some of this to next week as well. So that being said, the first thing that I want you to do is, aside from doing your compare and contrast essay, which we know is due for a grade, I want you to send me an email contrasting the paintings, the two paintings of the two women. Notice what I said. I said contrast. I did not say compare and contrast. I did not say compare. I only want you to contrast those two paintings. 250 words or less. Shoot that to me in an email, okay? Let's see, the music slide. You can go ahead and listen to it if you like, right? And then we'll discuss it on Monday. Perhaps there'll be a prompt, perhaps not. Perhaps we'll just have a roundtable discussion. We'll see. I'll give you the chance to listen to it though, because today was the day and that's not going to happen. So like I said, contrast the two paintings of the women. Let me rephrase that. Contrast the two paintings of the women. Well, I'll leave it there. Contrast the two paintings of the women, 250 words or less. Then that's the first thing. Send that to me in an email. The second thing is you can go ahead and listen to the music slide, but we will discuss it on Monday, so try and be prepared for that. The third thing is remember your compare and contrast essays are due on Sunday. The fourth thing is that I want you to print out that very same compare and contrast essay. Print it out, give me 6 copies, bring those with you. Everyone bring 6 copies of your essays. Yes, I realize there'll be ungraded essays. That's the point. Bring them to class on Monday. And then fifth thing would be to take a look at the peer review checklist that's in the next module. Take a look at that. Go ahead and print that. You want you print that 6 times as well. So 6 copies of the peer review list and 6 copies of your compare and contrast essay. Print those, bring those with you to class on Monday, and you'll see what we're going to be doing with that. Please remember, when you're writing your compare and contrast essays, what are you supposed to be doing? Using 2 different types. You have use one of the 2 different types of formats, right? Block or point by point. Do you remember what those are? I hope you do. If not, consult your notes. And have a good time with these assignments. I think the music one's kind of fun. I think the art one's kind of fun. I think they're all kind of fun. So go ahead and enjoy yourself with this. Let yourself be, just give yourself a chance to truly understand what the assignment's about and just kind of dig in. Let's see. Have any questions? Shoot me an email. I think that's really it. Sorry about today. My apologies. We will see each other on Monday. Enjoy your weekend. Don't forget your assignment.